What's up, guys? Yep, just standing in a parking lot right now. Look at the sky. Does that sky look natural? There's a big thunderstorm off in the distance. Yep. It's about to storm. Yep, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, spread the word about my channel. Like, watch, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and tell everybody you know about this channel. I want to take off. I got great content coming over the next few weeks, so remember now. You want great content? Like, watch, and subscribe, and hit the thumbs up. I got a good video coming out tomorrow. Yep. Okay, guys, it's about to rain. I'll see you.